good evening to all of you, and especially to Kiran Nath sir. I think it's really a wonderful experience. In fact, Dr. Ajit sir, eniki a couple of videos I know. So I
Okay.
had the pleasure of going through that. I'm so much, at awe with the simplicity. നിങ്ങളുടെ ആ simple way explain ചെയ്യുന്ന ഈ say marketing, okay, digital marketing, what is sales, what is marketing, even few which is still in my mind about prospecting and all which you shared, and it's really wonderful. I think it's really practically the way you're taking it. ഇത് എനിക്കൊരു റിഫ്രഷ് ആയിട്ട് ഒരു ക്ലാസ് റൂമിന്റെ ഒരു എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് വന്നു ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു സ്റ്റുഡന്റ് ആയിട്ട്. ഐ തിങ്ക് ഡോക്ടർ അജിത് നിങ്ങളും അതാ പറഞ്ഞ് വി ഗോട്ട് എ സ്റ്റുഡന്റ് എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ്.
അതെ 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 ഞാനിപ്പോ ഒരു സ്റ്റുഡന്റ് ആയി മാറിയിരിക്കുക സാറിന്റെ.
So അതൊരു privilege, and I think it doesn't matter how many participants are there. In fact, the participant നിങ്ങൾ ലക്കിയാ if you are attending this. And I think ഈ സൂമിലെ ഈ സമയത്തിലെ ഈ 15 days 15 sessions, I think it's a huge what you call effort, and I really totally salute you for this. So and ഇങ്ങനെ ഭീഷ്മാചാര്യരൊന്നുമില്ല. I am also a person who is learning every day. Okay, business ups and downs unto Nyanam. I was an employee. I was a corporate employee into various situations, into manufacturing, supply chain, and planning. Annusesham HR lem boy pinne po സ്വന്തമായിട്ട് I started off quite years, some years back. പിന്നെ ഈ MSP ഇവിടെയൊക്കെ ഇത് കണ്ടിട്ട് പിന്നെ ഒരു ഇതായി we should do something for the MSMEs, for the startups, entrepreneurs ന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്. So that's how we got connected. I had the privilege of getting connected to Dr. Ajit sir on a very wonderful platform, where again we are trying to bridge the academia and the industry, which adana or need further. So I think, and I think Kiran Nath ji, you are really contributing really much to this group, and this group will really stand blessed and benefited if they attend this 15-day course. So എൻ്റെ ഒരു എൻകറേജ്മെന്റ് ആയത്. ആൻഡ് നീഡ്ലെസ് ടു സേ ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ സമയത്തില് മോർ സോ ഈ പാൻഡമിക് ഇവിടെ ഈവൻ ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് പറയാണ്. എനിക്ക് കംഫർട്ടബിൾ ആയിട്ട് എന്താന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഈ ഫേസ് ടു ഫേസാ എൻ്റെ ടീച്ചിങ് ട്രെയിനിങ് കോച്ചിങ് ഇതൊക്കെ ഫേസ് ടു ഫേസ്. ബട്ട് ഈ കോവിഡ് സമയത്തില് പൂര ഈ 9 മാസത്തിലെ എന്തോ ഒരു ഇതാണ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ഓഫ് ആകുമ്പോൾ I was in so much of a dilemma എന്താ ചെയ്യാൻ പോണെന്ന്, because I was totally stuck, because എനിക്ക് I was not at all familiar or comfortable with this digital media at all. So I thought now it's gone, we will have to wait എപ്പോ തുറക്കാൻ പോകുന്നു. So but then the fact is, the one thing closed, another thing opened, but it was a difficult way. So I think all the August participants are getting a wonderful way through Kiran Nath sir to get this whole thing, because digital marketing and marketing by itself is not a cakewalk. It is not about taking something and selling. Intricacies എത്രയൊക്കെ ഇന്നലെ ഞാൻ കേട്ടത് അതായിരുന്നു. അവിടെ റിലേഷൻഷിപ്പ് അത് എത്ര ഒരു ഇമ്പോർട്ടന്റ് ഒരു സബ്ജക്റ്റ്. the whole today selling and marketing is everything based on relationship. എത്ര ഫാസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് കണക്ട് ചെയ്യും. ഇന്നലെ നിങ്ങൾ പറഞ്ഞില്ല, within 5 minutes you have to get back, otherwise it is lost. See, it is still there in my mind, so I am a good student. Okay, so you said otherwise 50% is lost in 2 minutes. That's what you said. So which is important, but let me tell you, this was something I did not really know. ഒരു കോണ്ടാക്ട് വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നാളെ വിളിക്കാം, അങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നു ഒരു ഇത്. So this is an eye opener. And then let me share with you, before I even talk something about marketing, അതിന്റെ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് എക്സാക്ട്ലി സാറ് പറഞ്ഞ മാതിരിയാണ്. ദേ ദെൻ ലൂസ് ദി ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ്. പിന്നെ നമ്മൾ വിളിച്ച അയാൾ ടൈം കിട്ടിട്ടില്ല, they will say okay later on, next time, or they have lost what the connect was, and we are losing a really wonderful prospect. Absolutely true, sir. And I think this is the key to that success. ഈ പ്രോസ്പെക്ടിന് ടൈമില് കണക്ട് ചെയ്താൽ അത് ഇഗ്നൈറ്റ് ആവും, പിന്നെ അത് ലൈവാ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അത് പോയി. So I think it's very important, sir. I think you're touching on such a big subject in a most simple manner, and I think touching in the mother tongue. Adana valliya oru idu. Okay, I am based in Bombay. See, I find it difficult because I don't use Malayalam much except for conversing within the family. Avada kudi ella Hindiyum adu idana, because ivide adana main aite. So I really find it so much. So you are connecting straight to the heart. So it is so wonderful. that marketing is something, it's a huge topic and a subject. And I think today you're going to talk on a wonderful aspect on which I am zero, that is Facebook marketing, if I'm
Facebook
right.
marketing, yeah.
And Facebook marketing is something that is the need of today.
Hmm.
ഈ ഫേസ്ബുക്ക് ഞാൻ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട് കുറച്ചൊക്കെ I started, then I'm not using, but people are using Facebook more for personal promotion. But ഇത് actual ആയിട്ട് നമ്മുടെ as an entrepreneur marketing എത്ര important how you can leverage. I think you're going to touch on a real hot topic.
Right, sir.
And marketing എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അത് you don't have to talk, it's nothing but interfacing with customers at the right place at the right time. So idana crux adinathu, which I think you have shared so beautifully. And it is all the thing that what we are talking, it's how customer can access you, how they can get information about you. And idine digital marketing in parnja adoru, today it's actually the need of the hour. Today everything, I think digitization is going across. എൻ്റെ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് പറയുകയാണ്, ഇപ്പൊ ഈ ഏബിൾ ലൈൻ നിങ്ങളുടെ കണക്ട് ആദ്യം ഫേസ് ടു ഫേസ് ആയിരുന്നു. വി ഹാഡ് ലോട്ട് ഓഫ് ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ടീസ്. സോ നൗ കണക്ടിങ് ത്രൂ സൂം, ഈ ഡിജിറ്റൽ ഇത്രയൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട്, ഗൂഗിൾ ഇതൊക്കെ, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഹൗ വി ഹാവ് ടു മേക്ക് ഇമ്പാക്ട്ഫുൾ. ഇതൊക്കെ ഒരു വലിയ ലേർണിംഗ് പ്രോസസ്സാണ്. സോ സോഷ്യൽ മീഡിയ, വെബ്, മൊബൈൽ, റെഗുലർ മെയിൽ, ഈ ഒക്കെ, ദീസ് ആർ ഓൾ ways and means how you connect. So the marketing people can utilize this data, and that is where they can really get in touch with customer. So adana main ഈ purchasing cycle idokke very important. So it is very important, I think, a very very profound subject to be precise. In the digital marketing, traditional marketing, our difference sir parnittarnu. Digital marketing today has surpassed traditional marketing. Today, if you look left, right, center, Amazon, Flipkart, ellam digital marketing, and the whole convenience has brought. If as entrepreneurs, njan touch the entrepreneurs, especially the small timers, they have to really get to know what is marketing and what is digital marketing and use of all the social media. So it's a very important topic. I think I will just encourage each of the participants to not miss even one lecture or one session, because you're connecting all important aspects A to Z. Actually, ee nan treasure jam vona ee video ke. It's so wonderful, I think. So entrepreneurs who are not aware of the power of digital marketing, actually it is now divided in parnja oru samudram idana adu, and the opportunities offered by internet today, internet connectivity idokke it's been available. So even ee government in nokam Atmanirbhar Bharat adu idokke parayumbo, we are all moving towards digital India. So digital marketing is really creating your presence across. We have seen it can cut across boundaries, geographical boundaries, people, caste, creed. It's no longer a matter. You can just get no big, small, anyone. So I think digital marketing is the key today, which is going to help us to reach out to connect to customers across all channels, be it the web, social media, mobile, etc. So that is what is very important. One more important thing I would want to say for entrepreneurs, very importantly, because conventionally, like basic subjects, whether you are in engineering or medical or financial, the point here is digital marketing or qualification. You don't need any of these qualifications. Still you can learn digital marketing and this thing, and you can really start any business. You don't need to be even an engineer or a medical or even some other professional. Anyone can jump into it. So it brings in so many people, big or small. All that you need is the understanding of how internet works and what does it take to succeed on the web. And then we say that internet, adana nammade valayattu in the sthalam, it becomes a playground. So I think digital marketing is a boon for everyone, even a person like me who doesn't know ABCD, but I think it's really made a difference, and I am in that learning stage. So I think this is something each one should take it, and everyone in business today should learn how to set up a business online. And that is the whole thing. So digital marketing actually is growing at a rapid pace. The demand, it's just increasing. So even from the payment salary point also, I think digital marketing professionals are really in a very good demand. So industry is actually extending an arm of marketing division for every organization. There is no alternative. Education everywhere. So ഞാൻ full ആയിട്ട് മെസ്മറൈസ് ആയി. ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു ക്ലാസ്
അയ്യോ.
ഇതുവരെയ്ക്കും ഞാൻ കേട്ടിട്ടില്ല. ഇങ്ങനായിട്ട് ഒരു
Oh my
ഡീറ്റെയിൽഡ്
God.
ക്ലാസ്. Okay. It was, and I think you were instrumental, Ajit sir, ഒരു ശരിക്കായിട്ട് ഒരു സ്റ്റുഡന്റ് മാതിരി ഈ പ്രശ്നങ്ങളൊക്കെ you asked. I think it was fabulous. As if it was,
Student
teacher student. So so much detailing. Kiran sir, first of all, I want to acknowledge your patience, perseverance. It is not just conducting a session, but it is that every student should not miss anything. He or she should learn it. Adana adu padikkanam uddeshathodeyana. So I think it is really commendable. And Ajit sir, you made that happen by asking A, B, C, D, A model thorangi. Okay, it was so wonderful that it is now registered in my mind that Facebook,
Sir, sir.
yes, profile, page, I won't be surprised in the Ratri Orangamba, idu thanne aanam. Top of the mind. I don't know whether my wife will say, endana idi profile, page, awareness, consideration. So atra impact. So I'm really, I mean, it's a very unique experience. Nan itri training coaching okke cheyundadu. Inganite I will not call it elementary, but the elementary foundation is very important. And your the e-pace without getting hassled, I think it is absolutely commendable. Yes, I think every participant is putting that very valuable and good presentation.
Okay.
It's really good. I think you took us through the ABCD of Facebook marketing. Profile, then go to page for business, all the typical features one by one for the reach, awareness, consideration, conversion, all these things. Okay. And importantly, as you said, as it is rightly said, it is important that planning is very important. That's what you said. So 80% the significance. 20% execution. I am also okay, good student.
Thank you very much.
I think every student would have.
Neil sir,
yeah.
Neil sir, I mean, really, class in the quality, sir, itrayem busy sir, itrayem nere irunathu thanne class inde mesmerization ellarkum മനസ്സിലായി കാണുമെന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. ഇത്രയും senior ഒരാള്, ഇത്രയും senior with you must have missed at least 20-25 calls മിസ്സായി കാണും സാറിന്, business calls. You sacrifice those calls.
This is an investment. Okay. So now I'll go with confidence on Facebook marketing, which is very much required. It's the need of the hour. You will stick only to profile and go with 5,000 people as friends. So the important thing is going into the page and leveraging the business. That's what Kiran sir has just revealed. Idoru first page thornotlu aa pustakande. Inipo picture adi baaki ayinu parayilla Hindi le anganeya. Main movie baaki undu. But thodakam important, foundation. So I think it's great. I think it's not the numbers how many have attended, but I am sure all the esteemed participants who have attended would have gained very, very significantly.
Okay,
right,
sir.
Right.
And I wish you all the best, Kiran sir, for this great endeavor. And
thank
I
you,
think,
thank you very much.
And it's a big journey.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Okay, sir. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Good night.
Good night.
Good night, sir. Thank you.
Good night, sir. Special thanks to Kiran sir for keeping such a great person as Neil mesmerized for 2-3 hours almost. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.